Christmas is right around the corner, and if you're not using AI to drive your holiday sales, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI can help you attract more customers, save time and maximize your profits this season. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Here we go. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI to predict holiday sales trends. AI-powered analytics tools can help you identify trends by analysing past Christmas sales data. You can use platforms like Google Trends or specific AI software such as Data Robot to predict which products will be in high demand this season. For instance, if last year's sales saw a surge in eco-friendly gift sets, your AI tools may suggest doubling down on similar inventory. You can pair this with market insights to refine your product lineup. The key here is accuracy. AI takes the guesswork out of predicting demand, reducing overstock or understock issues. Now with the right forecast, you'll keep customers happy and maximize your profits. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to personalize gift recommendations with AI. AI algorithms can help you personalize product recommendations for your customers based on their browsing and their purchase history. You can use tools like Shopify's built-in AI or apps like Nosto to deliver tailored gift suggestions. For example, if a customer frequently buys children's toys, your website could suggest trending kids' Christmas gifts or offer exclusive deals on related items. This increases the likelihood of a purchase. Personalized recommendations also reduce decision fatigue for your customers, making them feel like your store knows exactly what they need for a magical festive season. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to optimize pricing with AI-driven dynamic pricing. AI can analyze your competitors' pricing, current demand, and customer behavior to recommend optimal price points. Tools like Prisync or Wiser can automate dynamic pricing strategies for your online web store. Imagine selling seasonal candles. If your competitors raise their prices closer to Christmas, AI tools can suggest slightly undercutting them to gain an edge, or raising your prices when demand spikes for maximum profit. This strategy ensures you're always competitive while protecting your profit margins. It's a game changer, especially in a price-sensitive holiday market. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to automate email campaigns with AI. AI-powered tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo can craft hyper-targeted email campaigns to boost holiday sales. These tools analyze customer preferences and behavior to create email content which is tailored to each recipient. For example, you could send a last-minute gift ideas email to customers who haven't purchased yet or offer an exclusive discount on items in their abandoned cart. Timing and relevance are everything. Additionally, AI tools optimize subject lines, send times, and even the email body to ensure higher open click rates. This means more eyes on your products and more clicks on your holiday deals. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to improve customer support with AI chatbots. AI chatbots like ChatGPT powered systems or Tidio can handle customer inquiries 24/7 during the busy Christmas season. They answer questions about shipping, returns, or product details very quickly and very accurately. Imagine a customer shopping at midnight, unsure about the delivery date for a specific gift or item. A chatbot can instantly provide this information, keeping the sale alive without requiring any human support. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your team to focus on the more complex tasks. Happy customers means better reviews and repeat business. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to use AI to optimize your ads. AI-driven ad platforms like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Ads Smart Campaigns can identify the best performing audiences, creatives, and budgets for your holiday promotions. For instance, AI can analyse which demographics are most likely to purchase your Christmas gift boxes, and then focus your ad spend on reaching those groups. This ensures every dollar counts. I recommend to experiment with AI generated ad copy or images to test what resonates most with your audience. Let the algorithms do the heavy lifting while you enjoy better ROI this festive season. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to leverage AI for social media content. AI tools like Canva Magic Write or Jasper can create engaging and festive social media posts in seconds. Use these tools to generate captions, hashtags and even images, ideas for your holiday campaigns. For example, you can craft a post highlighting a Christmas sale with AI suggested captions like "Unwrap the joy, 25% off all gifts today only," paired with trending holiday hashtags. I recommend to stay consistent and active during the season as the festive spirit drives impulse buying. AI ensures you're always relevant and saves you hours of content creation time. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to enhance inventory management with AI. AI tools like TradeGecko or Bright Pearl can optimize your inventory by predicting which products will sell the fastest and ensuring you don't run out of stock. Let's say you're selling limited edition Christmas ornaments. AI can analyze past data and market trends to predict how many units you'll need and when to reorder. This avoids missed sales opportunities due to stock outs. Efficient inventory management also reduces storage costs, helping you maximize your holiday profits without unnecessary expenses. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to analyze real-time data for quick adjustments. AI tools like Tableau or Looker provide real-time insights into your sales performance, allowing you to adjust strategies on the fly. For example, if one product category is outperforming others, you can boost its promotion immediately. Similarly, if a marketing channel isn't delivering results, AI can suggest relocating your budget elsewhere. This agility ensures you're always optimizing for the best outcomes, even during the busiest days of the Christmas season. The faster that you adapt, the more profitable your holiday sales will likely be. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to use AI to create compelling product descriptions. AI writing tools like ChatGPT or WriteSonic can generate creative and highly engaging product descriptions that resonate more with your target audience. For example, if you're selling luxury candles, AI can draft descriptions like "Infuse your holidays with the warm glow and comforting aroma of cinnamon and vanilla, the perfect gift to light up any room." Great descriptions not only make products more appealing, but also improve your SEO, helping potential customers find your products online more easily during the busy shopping season. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to enhance upselling and cross-selling with AI. AI tools like Pelterion or Bold Upsell can suggest complementary products to customers while they shop, increasing average order value. For example, if someone adds a pair of cozy Christmas socks to their cart, AI can recommend matching slippers or festive pajamas. These subtle nudges often lead to additional purchases. Implementing upselling and cross-selling strategies powered by AI is like having a smart sales associate who knows what your customers want before they do it. It's a seamless way to maximize every sale. Let's now move on to tip number 12, which is to utilize AI for visual search features. With visual search becoming much more popular, AI tools like Google Lens or Pinterest Lens allow customers to upload images and find similar products in your store. Imagine a customer sees a Christmas wreath that they love, but doesn't know where to buy it. If your store supports visual search, AI can match their uploaded photo with your inventory and guide them straight to the checkout. This feature is particularly useful for capturing impulse buys during the holidays, when people are inspired by festive decor and gifts that they see online or in stores. Let's now move on to tip number 13, which is to use AI to create engaging holiday quizzes. AI can help you design fun and interactive quizzes that recommend products based on customer preferences. Platforms like Typeform or Interact can integrate AI for personalized results. For example, a quiz titled "Find the Perfect Gift in 3 Minutes" could ask about the recipient's interests and suggest tailored gift ideas from your catalogue. People love these types of quizzes and they keep shoppers highly engaged. This strategy not only entertains but also drives conversions by showing customers exactly what they're looking for. Plus, you can collect a valuable data to improve future marketing efforts. Let's now move on to tip number 14, which is to automate shipping and delivery updates with AI. AI systems like ShipStation or AfterShip can send real-time updates, shipping updates and notifications, giving your customers peace of mind during the hectic holiday season. For instance, a customer eagerly awaiting a Christmas gift can receive automated updates like "Your package is on its way" or "Delivered," just in time for the holidays. This builds more trust and reduces support inquiries. Efficient shipping communication improves your customer satisfaction and encourages repeat purchases. It's a simple yet very powerful way to make your brand stand out during the holidays. There you have it, 14 powerful tips to help you supercharge your Christmas sales. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.